AT Investment Company, registered in 2012 in Great Britain, with a charter capital of £1 million. All information about the company is contained within the Open Public Registry. Our partners perform convenient services and provide quality products at competitive prices. Asian Tiger, unique high-tech devices for producing clean drinking water from the air. Emirates Gold, the recognized leader in the field of processing gold investment production. AT Taken, breakthrough in the field of cloud technologies and secure information storage. Evrostate, Spanish, Bulgarian, and Dubai properties at incredibly favorable prices, where maintenance and security of transactions are guaranteed. The section of the marketing plan for promotional products, services of companies, and the partners of AT Holding is the bonus program entitled All Together. To earn through this program, you can simply make a purchase once and then establish an agreement with the agency. You will assist in disseminating information about products and services and get paid for your deserved reward. Such a plan is beneficial to all parties. Companies get reliable customers without spending on advertising costs, and you and your customers get the best prices and the best deals on the market. How does the bonus program work? If you have made purchases of any goods or services of our partners, then bonuses are calculated to you, which you can use to activate the contracts for the purchase of investment gold for the system's co-orders. You start the advertising of goods and services of partners with all available means. Your goal? To bring 2 reliable customers who will connect to the program as well, as you will be looking for new clients and referrals, thus expanding your team. With the growth of your team, a joint order for the purchases of gold is completed. Bonuses for purchases will be calculated for each partner in your team, which he or she can use to participate in the bonus program, namely to participate in joint orders and move towards receiving rewards from 3,000 to 20,000 euros. The ability to create a strong and effective team is definitely worth the money. So, what do we get paid for? For effective recommendation of goods and services of our partners. Prizes and/or commission are calculated for referrals from transactions made in the special bonus program. Rewards can range from 5% to 100% of the cost of purchased goods and services and used in the bonus program, which is a perfect mathematical algorithm. It allows you to earn not only from your own recommendations, but also from sale volume organized by other participants of the system. We will pay for your work by gold, the most liquid commodity on earth. Gold bullions can be sold at any time to our company, and you receive the money on your bank card anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Become a client. Use the promotional tools provided by the company and earn up to 20,000 euros from each joint order. Right now, refer to the person who gave you this video and get a detailed action plan for gaining financial freedom.